You turn on your game console or streaming device, but your screen just says no signal. Or maybe your device is plugged in, but your LG TV isn't detecting it at all. If your HDMI port isn't working, don't worry. This usually happens because of a small software glitch, a cable problem, or something called an HDMI handshake issue, where the TV and the connected device fail to communicate properly. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed at home in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to get your HDMI connection working again. First, start with a full power cycle reset because this is the most important step and it fixes many HDMI problems. Unplug your TV completely from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, locate the physical power button on the TV itself, usually on the back or underneath the panel, and press and hold it for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any leftover electrical charge inside the TV and resets the HDMI handshake system. At the same time, unplug any HDMI devices such as gaming consoles, cable boxes, or streaming devices from their power source. After that, plug the TV back into the wall first and turn it on. Then reconnect each HDMI device one at a time. If the signal still isn't detected, the next thing to check is the HDMI cable and physical connection. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the connected device. Then plug it back in firmly on both ends. Make sure the cable is seated properly because HDMI ports sometimes require a snug connection. If the cable feels loose, gently press the connector to ensure it is fully inserted. Now try switching to a different HDMI port on the TV. Move the cable from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2 and test again. Sometimes a single HDMI port may stop responding while the others still work normally. If the issue continues, replace the HDMI cable with another high-speed HDMI cable. HDMI cables can degrade or become damaged over time, especially if they are frequently unplugged. This is even more common with 4K devices that require higher bandwidth. Next, make sure the TV is set to the correct input source. Look at the back of the TV and confirm which HDMI port your device is plugged into. Then press the input or source button on your remote and manually select the HDMI number that matches that port. If the wrong input is selected, the TV will not detect the signal. If you are using a 4K device like a console or streaming box, check the HDMI settings on your TV. Open Settings, go to All Settings, then select General and go to Devices. From there, open HDMI Settings and enable HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color for the HDMI port where your device is connected. This setting allows the TV to properly recognize high bandwidth 4K signals. After that, check for a software update. Go to Settings, open Support, and select Software Update. Check if a new update is available and install it if there is one. System updates often fix compatibility issues and bugs that can affect HDMI connections. Once the update is complete, restart the TV and test the signal again. Finally, if none of these fixes work, the last option is a factory reset. Keep in mind this will remove installed apps, Wi-Fi settings, and personal preferences. To do this, open Settings, go to General, and select Reset to Initial Settings. If the TV asks for a password, try common default codes such as 0000, 1234, or 12345. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. At this point, you've ruled out HDMI handshake problems, cable faults, incorrect input selection, software glitches, and configuration issues. In most cases, one of these steps restores the HDMI signal quickly. If this video helped you fix the problem, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. And let me know in the comments which device was not showing a signal, your console, cable box, or streaming stick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.